everyone, and welcome back to the channel again today. Today's project is that behind that green towel. Let me show you the whole thing. It's a shelving unit that goes all the way down to the floor. Move you a little bit closer. I'm going to get in there, take everything out, look at it, decide what I want to keep, clean it, and then put everything back that I'm going to keep. And I'll show you before and after. So let me lift the curtain up and show you what it looks like before. Okay, so this is the before. Down there on the bottom is CDs and books. And in the top is, I think there's some photo albums in there and magazines that I was planning on reading, and I may still try to get into some of those. But right now, the main thing that I'm mostly concerned about is going through the books, because I have been downsizing a lot of my books and seeing which ones I want and which ones I can get rid of. So let me get started on that. What I've got that I'm probably going to keep. This must be a novel. I might keep that. I know I want to keep this and read it one more time before I get rid of it. I might do a thing on Book to Thursday about that book. And then these two books right here I want to keep because these are reference books. Never go wrong having a dictionary in your house. This is an old one. And I know they update it every year and add new words in it, but the old ones are still in here. So I'm definitely going to be keeping that. Yeah, I'll hang on to these magazines for a little bit because sometimes I like to breeze through a magazine, and it doesn't take but just a few minutes to go through a magazine, even from cover to cover. So I'll just go ahead and hang on to them for a little while. And I probably eventually will sell a lot of these. These are my CDs. I no longer have a CD player here in the house. And the one on my car, I accidentally broke it, so I have no need for that. Plus, I listen to my radio when I'm in my car. If I need music, I'll listen to my radio. Okay, so there's that. Like I said, I'm going to put this into donating. Okay, so I have these two books right here that I think I could probably sell online. And this right here is full of cassettes that I'm going to donate. So there you have it. That is now my after. Let me pan down to show you the bottom because that's the most important area. Of course, I got two dogs down there. I got all that area right there completely cleaned out. All that's left in there is the CDs that I'm going to go through and sell. And then I cleaned out the shelves. I moved my books that I'm going to be reading up to the top a little bit higher because it's really difficult for me to get down on that bottom. So I now have these books up here where I can get to them easier to read. And I've started doing readings. I've designated Tuesday night as my no TV, no social media book reading night. So every Tuesday night I either get a magazine or two or three or four, however many I want, read through them, and I read a few chapters in a book. So thank you for coming and watching this episode of Decluttering with Vicki. Remember, your life is very short. Make it the absolutely best that you can. And y'all come back to see us now any old time. Bye for this one.